This is an exceptional 997 Generation 1. Because it has a 3.9 litre powertrain with 4 forged pistons. The transmission has been rebuilt with a single mass lightweight flywheel. I mean, the body, where required, has been, taken to bare metal and redone. It's got 19-inch Takhard wheels. The interior has got these beautiful cobalt seats, and in terms of the suspension and the brakes, they've been completely overhauled. It is a sensational car, and I think once really got to see this in real life to realize what it's like. Now, in terms of value and price, this is something that will cost you between 70 to 80,000 pounds. Stevens has built 3 of these, and the timeline that he can deliver one of these from collecting it from wherever is a good donor car available to basically delivering it to a customer doorstep is 8 weeks. It's an absolutely astonishing, quick turnaround time from start to finish. But if you ever need to use Trackroot for simply an engine rebuild, they're the company to go to because they're absolutely phenomenal, and we've used them on quite a few occasions. I hope you've liked the video. Press that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and if you think this is interesting content and you want more of it, let us know.